In the African savanna lived a young lion named Leo. He always felt lonely, even though he was a king. One afternoon, he saw a small bird perched on a giraffe's back, which piqued his curiosity. The small bird was named Pip. It wasn't afraid of Leo. Instead, Pip lowered its head, as if inviting Leo closer. At that moment, Leo felt something different. Pip didn't see him as a predator, but as a friend. From that day on, their friendship grew. Leo showed Pip new beautiful places, and Pip flew high above, watching over him, their laughter echoing throughout the savannah. Leo no longer felt lonely. He had found a true friend. With Pip, he realized that true friendship knows no bounds. Even between a lion and a small bird,